Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or should I say our channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do my realistic wash and go routine. So if you guys want to see how I do this, please continue to watch this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. So first things first, I'm going to show you guys a quick review on how I do my wash day, and I already did this video already, so you guys can check it out. It's on my channel. I'm going to show you guys the thumbnail right now. And yeah, so I already did my wash day routine, so just a quick simple example of how I do my wash day. And I'm going to begin to section off my hair into 4 equal sections. Now my hair is damp, so I'm just going to pat each section roughly with my fingers into 4 sections. So for added moisture, I added in some of my argan oil cream of nature curl enhancing mousse. So I applied a little bit to the palm of my hands and I added that to my hair for a little moisture. I already did that off camera. So the back I'm going to section into 2, and I'm going to work with the back first. So whenever I do my wash and go routine, also I love using some oil. Now the oil I use is the cream of nature argan oil, and it helps seal in the moisture when I add my gels and stuff for my routine. So the argan oil tends to seal in moisture, especially when my hair is damp. So I love using my argan oils to my damp hair. So the gels I'm going to be using is my Eco Styler, also my extreme gel, and I'm going to be applying a generous amount to each section of my hair to make my curls nice and juicy. So using my fingers and my gel, I'm going to make sure that my curls are defined, and I'm just going to run my fingers through my hair. Also, I'm going to be using like a wide tooth comb to define my curls a little more. So that's a tip. So if you want your curls to be like separated, you can use the comb. It separates the curl, and for each section I'm just going to be doing the same thing, using my oil, using my gel, using my fingers to make sure that my curls are defined. So the back section is complete and my curls are popping. It just needs to dry, and yeah, I really love how the back section is looking so far. So we're making our way to the front, and I'm going to be doing the same thing, making sure I add my oils because the oil tends to prevent frizz as well. Also, any type of flaking that you may get from the gel, the oil tends to prevent that. So I'm just going to make sure that I apply my oil. It's a very important step. And using my gels together. Now this is the first time that I've been using these 2 gels together, and I really love how it made my curls look. So the extreme gel really worked nicely with the Eco Styler, so I would start to use that from now on whenever I do my wash and goes. So as you can see, I just use my wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to make sure that it's defined. My curls are split, and as you can see, the section between the 2, the one that's done and the one that's not completed. So you can see the difference between the 2. Now make sure that your curls are dry before you do any type of styling, so it kind of makes the look complete after the curls are really dried. And I'm just going to be doing my edges right about now because I rather do my edges before it's dried. So I'm just going to do my edges, and I'm going to be tying it down as well to define my edges a little bit. So as you can see, my hair is pretty awkward length. It has different lengths, so you can rock this look as it is, you know, wet, or you can leave it, let it dry, but I prefer for my own to dry. I prefer to rock it when my hair is dried. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's complete. You can sit in front of a fan, or you can use like a light blow dryer or air dry. They pretty much works the same. So I'm just gonna be doing that, and yeah, I really love how the look came out. So my curls are shrinked, my hair is shrinked, so my hair is looking pretty short right now, but I love how the look came out. So if you guys have awkward length hair like me, you can try the style, also you can let me know in the comments below. And I love how my curls are looking really nice and shiny. That's what the argan oil does. So if you guys like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and like and share this video. And just remember, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Bye.